Are you tired with all notifications, unwanted calls, and app destruction when you are using your phone or working? Then there is a feature on your iPhone to fix just that. And this has been there for a very long time, but iPhone users either ignores it or don't know how to use it. So if you look at my screen, you will see a whole lot of notifications which I don't need. But by tap on one single thing, everything can disappear. So if you slide down and go to the control panel on your iPhone and you tap on the Do Not Disturb and go back to the home page, you will see everything is gone. So this block calls, messages, and notification. But let me show you how to set this the right way. So first, go to Setting on your iPhone. Then in Settings, look for Focus. So mine is right here, so I will tap on it. Then in Focus, you can see I have already created mine and it's even on. And there are two additional options you can also set up and use, which is Personal and Work. But we are going to create our own from scratch. First, tap on the plus icon on the upper right corner of the screen so that we can create our own. Then in this menu, there are so many options to choose from. But since we are creating our own from scratch, select Custom. Then, after selecting Custom, type in the name you want to use and also select the color that you want. And after that, tap on Next to move to the next page. And this is what our focus will do. It silences notifications you don't want across all your devices. Share with friends you have notification silenced. Turn on custom lock screen or home screen page, and this also block calls when turned on. But you must be wondering, what if you have some important people or apps you don't want to silence? And I'm going to show you how to do that also. So to do that, tap on the Customize Focus button. And on this page, you will see two options, which are People and Apps. So this lets select the people or apps you want their notification. So let's start with People. So tap on People and it will bring you to this page. And on this page, tap on Add People. Then it will open up your contact, then you select the people you want to receive notifications from. So select all of them, and after that, tap on Done. Now, those contacts will be added here, and you can add or remove it anytime you want. Now, tap on Next to move to the next step. And here you can choose the category of people you want to allow their calls come through when Do Not Disturb is on. So I will select Favorite and click on Done. Now, you can do same for the apps you want to allow your notification come through when Do Not Disturb is on. So tap on Apps, select the apps you want to receive notification, tap on Done, and you are good to go. And after you are done creating your custom focus, if we go back to the focus settings, you will see yours in the options. Now, if you want to turn it on, swipe up to your control center. Now, look for Do Not Disturb button and tap and hold, and it will reveal all the options, including the one we just created. Now select yours and your custom Do Not Disturb will be turned on. So this is how you can block messages, calls, and notification on your iPhone using the focus feature. And this comes in handy when you want to focus on a task without getting distracted, but also allow messages, calls, and notification from important people and apps. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. See you in the next video.